Want to trade tokens directly from your wallet without using centralized exchanges? In this video, I'll show you how to swap tokens using the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The DeFi Wallet enables direct peer-to-peer trading through decentralized exchanges, giving you full control over your assets. Open your Crypto.com DeFi Wallet and select the swap function. Choose the token you want to swap from and the token you want to receive. The app will show you the exchange rate, price impact, and network fees. You can adjust slippage tolerance for volatile tokens to ensure your transaction goes through. Confirm the swap and authorize the transaction. The new tokens will appear in your wallet once the blockchain confirms the transaction. A crucial pro tip: always check the liquidity and trading volume of the tokens you're swapping. For better rates, compare different DX aggregators within the DeFi wallet. Start with small test swaps when using new token pairs to understand the process and costs. And just like that, you're trading tokens with full custody and minimal intermediaries. Swapping in the DeFi wallet puts you in complete control of your crypto transactions. Which token pairs do you most frequently swap in your DeFi wallet? Let me know in the comments. For earning opportunities, subscribe for our next video on how to provide liquidity on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.